Hold on, Nisha, let me start it. Come on, you call me Duffy. Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by TVJ Marketing Executive Nicarno Williams, and he's here to talk to us about cross-country invasion. Welcome back, General.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so tell us, when does everything kick off? When do we start?
January 31. Friday, January 31.
That's next week Friday.
That is, yeah.
Friday, yeah.
Yeah.
All right,
Yeah.
all right. And what can we expect? Because we hear the launch is actually in 3 parts.
Yes.
Sequels are in, you know.
Listen,
Sequels are in.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, and
Trilogy.
this is the 16th year of our Argentina Group's cross-country invasion, so we had to go big this time.
Right,
We
right.
had to make a statement, and we're doing our launch in 3 different parishes. So first, we're kicking off downtown Kingston at St. William Grants Park. That's going to be from 5 to 9 a.m. in the morning. You know, we'll have Smile Jamaica broadcasting live. We'll have all the radio stations there broadcasting live, so persons can come out and interact with their favorite personalities.
Nice.
And then at 1 to 5, guess who's going to be in Turtle River Park?
Who?
Who do you think?
I don't know.
Daytime Live.
Is it you? It's us. I'm Craig's performance.
So one Daytime Live will be at Turtle River Park, and we'll also have Fame FM, RJ 94 FM there, and Hits 92 FM.
Nice.
And guess what?
What?
They're going to be doing a kind of competition of sorts.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a face-off of
Oh,
sorts.
really? So we are going to do the competition?
No. You're the TV. You're.
Oh,
Yeah.
you know,
Oh,
I'm
just
ready.
read the
I'm ready, you know. I'm ready.
No, man, so
Okay.
weird.
No,
But
man,
me here
it's
says a clash.
unfair. It's
So
unfair.
Someone can join a team, a radio team.
Wait, that can be worked
are
out.
the
No, come on, bad enough.
That can be worked
What are you
out.
talking
I'm sure there are a number of stations that would be vying for your participation,
Yeah,
right?
man, I want to see what
Yeah, man.
I
And then
want to go.
after
But
that-
charge, no for double plate, though, you know.
Yeah, well,
Winter.
work it. After 1 to 5 at Church River Park, we head on over to Portmore for a party at Ken's Wildflower. The party starts at 8 p.m., but we will start broadcasting live on Fame FM at 9, and it goes to midnight.
Nice
Down
venue.
for
Yeah,
some
man.
party.
Yep,
Nice.
Ken's
Sounds
Wildflower.
good.
All right, so you mentioned that it's 16 years running now.
Yes.
Why was it important for RJR Communications to put on this cross-country invasion?
Well, cross-country invasion gives us a chance to go out and meet our listeners and our viewers, you know, interact with the public and give them a chance to get your autographs, you know, to see personalities that you only hear on radio and see on TV. And it also gives them a chance to engage with us in a meaningful way, especially for the sports days. We have sports days throughout cross-country every Saturday for the 5 weeks. We are at a different location and we are having fun. We have rides for the kids. You know, this year we're also going to be doing esports, so gamers can come out and enjoy themselves.
Okay.
Yeah, and just to break it down for you, cross-country spans over 5 weeks. Each week is a different region. So region 1 is Kingston, St. Catherine, and well, not all of St. Catherine, but Portmore. Kingston, St. Andrew, and Portmore. Because we took Portmore out of the regular St. Catherine just to make it a part of the Kingston group. Region 2, we have St. Thomas, Portland, and St. Mary. Region 3, Mandeville, Clarendon, and Manchester, Clarendon, and St. Elizabeth.
Okay.
Region 4, you're looking at Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James. And in Region 5, St. Anne, Trelawney, and the rest of St. Catherine. Yeah.
That's nice.
Hey, it's hard to remember all of them things.
Yes, and I don't know paperwork or anything.
No,
Look
I know,
at
I know.
you.
We've been doing it for enough years to know it by heart.
Right. That's
Yeah.
really good. And there's some church services happening as well.
Yes, each week we start off the region with a church service.
He's
I
very
know,
excited about that.
right,
He's going to
right.
be there at all of them.
I know the first one is Kencut SDA, and that's going to be on the Saturday immediately following the launch. So the 1st of February, we're at Kencut SDA, and we're going to be worshiping with the family there. And
Nice.
we hope to have a few personalities there as well. Kirky, you can pass through.
SD, I don't want the church drop down, I don't want the steeple drop down.
Yeah. See, I'm a little afraid of that as well. But you guys also have some sports days, some fun days type
Yes,
stuff,
yes.
which I'm ready for that.
You're up for. Nice.
know.
Well, the first one is at Oberlin Primary, Oberlin High, sorry, and that's going to be on the first Saturday, which is the 7th or the 8th?
The first Saturday, 7th
Yes,
or 8th.
8th.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's the 8th.
Right.
Everyone, so Oberlin family can come out and, you know, engage with us there. We're going to have rides, games, as I said before, and of course we're going to have personalities there at underground you can come and meet, and our
Okay.
calendars will be distributed as well.
Oh, wicked.
Because, you know, the Fame FM, the Hits 92 FM, and the RJR calendars are coveted each year. And so we'll be doing calendar distribution.
What's going to do a daytime live calendar?
Yes, hey.
Because them are going like them hotter down. And them not hotter down.
So you guys always have a lot of wonderful sponsors.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about who they are for the cross country this year.
Well, I know this year we have one back on board with us that haven't been there for a while. That's Island Dairies. I know that we also have Guardian General that's back on board with us, and a few others. But we're going to be revealing more of those as the weeks go on. I want persons to follow our social media pages, all the group social media pages. We'll be posting out information for the different weeks. You know, letting persons know where we're going to be each week and what brand is going to be at which location.
Right.
Cool.
So where RJR is going to be, where Hits is going to be, where Power is going to be, where Fame is going to be. And we have another location for Daytime Live as well throughout the 5 weeks.
Oh, yes.
Oh, we do?
We'll let you know.
Where are we going? We don't know.
No, that's a surprise. That's a surprise.
Secret.
Well, I'll be at a lot of them because I'm performing on a few of the regions.
Oh yes, I did see you. Yeah, I saw you on our artist list
Yeah.
because, you know, each Friday night throughout the week, throughout the course of cross country, we have a street jam. You know, some of them aren't quite street jams. Like the first one this year, we're doing it a little different. So Glean and RJR have come together to put on a nice party up at 22 Jerk in Barbican.
I love 22
Yeah, man.
Jerk.
Yeah.
I'll be there for the food, the jerk. What? The party, free wine. I know you didn't say free wine, but I'm assuming
That's
free
on the
wine.
7th, Friday the 7th. We're gonna have a nice vibe at 22 Jerk.
22 Jerk. And every
man.
Friday you have something.
Right.
For
So
the 5
after
weeks.
that, you know, Region 2 is our staple. We cannot leave out
Wow.
Highgates in St. Mary. You know, Highgate, the people there, they come out every year and they support us greatly. And so we'll be there. And in Region 3, we have, we're doing a new location this year actually for Region 3. We're going up in a place called Mountainside, St. Elizabeth. Yeah, man. So Mountainside will get a party.
When you
for
hear
themselves.
Mountainside, you don't have to
You
ask
know.
where they-
You know,
Yeah,
it's outside
man.
of the
And
mountain.
And that's the
On the
thing about
mountain.
cross
As I
country.
said,
Cross
on the
country gives not just us as a media host, but our sponsors who come with us. They get a chance to go out to these rural places, and we go into the nooks and crannies of the parishes and interact with the people, and it's really engaging.
Nicarno, thank you
Yeah.
so much for joining us on the show.
Yeah, man,
we
and
are
thanks for having
super
me.
excited and we can't wait.
Listen,
to
January
come.
31,
January
downtown Kingston.
31.
Next Friday.
Yes, that's
Next
it.
Friday.
Church River Park, Ocherius, 1 to 5. Ken's Wildflower, 8 to midnight. It's gonna be lit.
Right. It's
Awesome.
going to be good. It's going to be lit.
Yep.
Daytime Live will be right back with Gustazo's offer of the day and a video about Miss Jamaica from Zach Jones and Agent Sasko. You don't want to miss that. So forward.